Hey everybody, today I'm reviewing this Madagascar Centella travel kit. This is great to have when traveling and being able to maintain your skincare. I'll jump right into it and open the box and show you the 5 products that it comes with. First off, we've got this soothing cream. Secondly, here we have this Ampoule foam. Third one here, Ampoule, here you go. Next we have some toning toner, and lastly we have the light cleansing oil. So as you can see, these 5 products make up the box. That's what you get to travel with and maintain your skincare with while traveling. Highly recommend. Thanks.